Phnom Penh, the capital of Cambodia, is a vibrant and bustling metropolis offering a unique blend of history, culture, and modernity. Located at the confluence of the Mekong and Tonle Sap rivers, Phnom Penh boasts a rich heritage and enchanting scenery. As Cambodia's largest city, Phnom Penh serves as the country's economic and political center. It is home to numerous historical landmarks such as the Royal Palace, the Silver Pagoda, and Wat Phnom. These architectural structures showcase the deeply rooted traditions and religious significance of the city. Tourism in Phnom Penh has been on the rise in recent years due to the city's growing reputation as an emerging tourist destination. Travelers from all over the world are attracted by its unique charm and cultural heritage. Although Phnom Penh has no beaches within the city limits, it serves as a great base for exploring nearby coastal areas such as Kep or Sihanoukville. These destinations offer unspoiled beaches where visitors can relax and bask in the sun. In addition to its cultural treasures, Phnom Penh also offers tourists a variety of experiences. The city is dotted with charming cafes, bustling markets, and trendy restaurants to suit all tastes. Whether you want to immerse yourself in Asian culture or are simply looking for an exciting place to travel, Phnom Penh has something to offer every visitor.